Hello, Divine Nurture community. I hope you're doing well. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. Thank you for joining. Here we discuss truthful, meaningful, and deep conversation. Welcome. I cannot believe it is October, fall season, one of my favorite seasons. I do already feel renewed and ready to go again. So that's a good thing. So, and I hope you're feeling the same way. So, fall season, or let me just say Libra season, which is a cardinal sign, which starts fall season as discussed from previous video. So, what is Libra about? Libra is all about relationships, diplomacy, harmony. They want to make sure that everyone's heard. They want everyone to be included fairly. But when that energy is also acting from a darker side, it can be people pleaser, or even relationships are not as healthy as they should be, and always wanting to do stuff to kind of please whoever and neglect themselves. So this kind of ties into the healing team that we're currently in, because relationships are very important. If some of you may remember, last year I discussed the power of 6, which was spiritual power, intellectual and mental power, emotional power, physical power, relational power, and the new way of material power. And relational power, I personally relate a lot with that, because exposed to different diverse relations, not just professionally but also personally. So I had to learn how to nurture relationships. So relationship is not, I mentioned on that video how it's not what you know, it's more so who you know, and how do you nurture those relationships. How well is that cooperation when you're dealing with those individual? Hence, going back to the healing team, how that's attached to this period of time. Are the relationships that are currently in your life, are they help you grow, or are they hinder your growth? So one thing that us human have a hard time with is detaching, whether that's like romantic relationship or just friendship or any type of relationship in general, right? So for example, I hear people say, they have been in my life for many years, it's so hard to let go. Well, they have come and served their purpose, right? It's so important to recognize that people come into our life again for a reason, season, and a lifetime. So once a person come into your life, and you understand that they're here for a purpose, and pay attention to what are they teaching you. Sometimes they're here to teach you hard lessons. Something within you is triggered when these individuals are around you. What is it? Can you sit down and kind of reflect on that and understand why they're there? Some relationships are here to kind of help you level up to your next assignment or next journey. Some of them come, they serve, and they go. Some of them come, they stay for a lifetime, which is wonderful if they are. But just understanding why each person come into your life, and the timing of it is important. So that's also good to know in terms of like the healing phase. When those relationships that comes to serve and they're done serving are no longer of need, it is important to let it go to better serve your healing journey. Otherwise, you're just going to be carrying not a lot of stress and anxiety. Every time they're there, it's just like more triggering why you already healed certain part of your traumas. So just be mindful of those relationships is very important. So letting go to kind of rebuild. See, October, I like October particularly, not only because, like I said, is a month ruled by Libra, which is all about balance. and harmonizing relationships. It's also a good month to kind of prepare you for the next year ahead, to kind of see, okay, the last 3 months that I have left within this year, how has my relationship been? What have I been doing? Am I taking care of myself the way I'm supposed to be taking care of myself? What are some of the things that I want to take with me moving forward in the next cycle? Remember, next year is a whole new cycle, number one, which we'll continue to explore. But October gives you that opportunity or that chance to kind of reassess where you are and trying to finish strong, right? So me personally, I like I said, anyways, I haven't been doing much when it comes to like letting go and releasing, just because of the cycle that I'm in right now. I have to accept that and just let things flow the way it should be. For some of you, you actually have to, do more than that, right? Have that talk if it needs to be held with that individual and see where you are in your relationship, or simply let it flow. Do you focus on you? Focus on your healing journey. You are number one priority, as I always state. You cannot help other unless you help yourself first. So making sure you're okay mentally, physically, emotionally, is important before you can help others, whether that's a romantic relationship or a family member that needs your help. So, yeah, definitely relationships during this time are important. And when we get into Scorpio season, towards the end of this month and next month, it will be more intense because that's more like a emotional and more intimate connection. Think of ways that can help you nurture those relationships, and if they're not, feel like they're not good for you or they outgrown you, let it go, right? Do not attach, let it go. I've been releasing a lot of things, and when I in deep meditation and I'm done, I'm able to kind of write down things. So I came up with a list of release things that I feel like majority of us should be releasing. But I want you guys to be more engaged. I wish that's my wish, for you guys to be more engaged in the comment section, to let me know what are some of the things that you're like releasing, and that might help another individual. But I am going to share this release exercise that I put together after my meditation sections, and I do hope that it helps someone or they can relate. So use this release exercise as you see fit, or if you can resonate with it. So it goes: I release worry. I release the fear of letting go. I release the fear of being seen. I release the fear of change. I release all habits that diminish my power. I release all negative thoughts and self-sabotaging behaviors. I release the need to control what I cannot. I release attachment and expectations from situations and people. I release all blockages from my life. I release limiting beliefs that do not serve me. I release all stress about my past to embrace a new and bright present and future. I release all relationships that hinder my growth. Let go, let them go if you need to. Use this fall season to kind of rebuild and renew yourself to the person that you are meant to evolve into. So take care of yourself as always. Take care of yourself first before you are able to take care of others. That's very important. And again, share this with someone that might need it right now. We all need to help each other unite and come together in communities. And I really hope that this community is helping you with that. So thank you for joining me today, and I will talk to you soon. With much love.